Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to remove someone friends from a shortcut on a Snapchat. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up the Snapchat application, and then from here guys, just click on the button over here, and then now tap on send to, and then from here guys, in order for you to shortcut on your friends, just click this icon over here. And as you can see over here, you will have a search button. And from here, you will have a freedom to choose any friend. And also at the top, you can choose an emoji for your shortcut. And guys, once you are done, you just have to select your friend and you have to select create shortcut. And then from there, you will be able to customize your friend from removing and adding them on your shortcut. But guys, as you can see, as of now, I don't have friends on my Snapchat. But when you have, it can easily be done to add or remove your friend from the shortcut. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!